365 days a year for protecting all of the airspace of the Northeast United States against any airborne threat. Normally, the F-15s are in the new alert hangars located directly in front of where the Thunderbirds are parked today and all set and ready. Due to the open house, though, we're going to launch from the taxiway around Show Center. The F-15s of the 104th Fighter Wing are now going to simulate an alert launch. Now, in the real world, ladies and gentlemen, the 104th Fighter Wing's alert scramble demonstration. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Today the aircraft is going to come back and land in a little while.